With Signeasy, you can effortlessly edit your templates, ensuring they are always relevant and tailored to your needs. In the Templates section, click on the three-dot menu beside the template you wish to edit. By clicking on Edit, you will be redirected to the Template Edit page. On this page, you have the options to rename the template, add or delete roles, change the signing order, or update the message to signers. You can even add new fields, edit the existing ones, or delete unwanted fields. Once all changes are made, click on Save Template to save your edits. To ensure the original template remains unchanged, click on the three-dot menu beside Save Template and select Save as Copy. It will create a duplicate version. You can also replace a template with a different document without starting from scratch by clicking on the three-dot menu icon and select Create Copy. Click on the three dots next to the document name and choose Replace Document. You can select from the original section or import a new document from your device. The selected document will then replace the current one, keeping all fields as they are. You also have the flexibility to add to or replace the current fields if required. That concludes our guide on template editing.